have Miss Cassandra Rhodes with us. Miss Cassandra is a native of Chicago but relocated here to Atlanta in 2016. She is a wife, a mother of one, and a grandmother to 2 grandchildren. She is also the proud owner of the Gumbo Gourmet, and today we're going to be discussing how a business idea can translate to a generational wealth planning strategy for you and your family. Now let's get into this. Okay, Ms. Cassandra, what challenges have you faced starting and growing your business, and what lessons can you share with others in building their generational wealth plan?
Well, I'll start with saying it is a very important thing that you do your research. Research is so paramount, and people say, what am I researching? Well, you have to just start with the question that you have, where am I going? And look at multiple resources of information. Don't just take your answer from Google and roll with it. Find experts in the various areas. If you're trying to understand commercial real estate, find a commercial real estate agent or professional to help you be able to have the negotiation with the management company about what you're getting yourself into. One of the other bigger mistakes I made going in, having what you want to call my professional background is in marketing and advertising, right? It's not in food service. And it's not even in business, believe it or not. It was understanding that I was signing on to long-term contracts for service providers with very heavy out clauses, because I didn't understand that you can't. So like with ADT, just making this up, security, for instance, they have me in a 3-year contract at this amount of money, or with the food service provider for Cisco, for my inventory, I over purchased inventory. So just kind of understanding what things are before you make a decision. If I'd have thought about it, I would not have wasted $1,700 getting a restaurant cleaned before moving in. But I didn't know, and so doing research before making a decision is one of the biggest things that I would say I should have done better going in.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you so much for sharing that with us.
You're welcome.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.